If your Kia has phantom beeping or a parking sensor warning, mechanics use a high-resolution visual inspection to confirm a failure in the ultrasonic sensor membrane. We will reveal the specific diagnostic trouble codes and the final repair bill at the end of this video. This issue affects nearly every modern Kia vehicle equipped with the parking distance warning system. The coverage spans from 2010 through the current model year, including the Forte, Sorento, Sportage, Optima, and the Telluride. Drivers usually notice the system acting up during low-speed maneuvers or while trying to park in a garage. The symptoms vary from sporadic false alarms to a total system failure where no alerts are given. You might see a specific warning lamp on your instrument cluster or a graphic showing an obstacle where none exists. In many cases, the beeping becomes constant, forcing drivers to manually disable the system every time they start the car. These sensors operate by sending out high-frequency sound waves that bounce off nearby objects. The vehicle's computer measures the time it takes for the signal to return to calculate distance. A very thin membrane film on the face of the sensor is responsible for this signal transmission. This membrane is the most vulnerable part of the entire parking system. A common wrong assumption is that the system has a software glitch or a loose wiring harness. Drivers often think the sensors are faulty because of a manufacturing defect in the electronics. In reality, the issue is almost always physical damage to the external face of the sensor itself. Even a tiny pit from a road pebble can ruin the sensor's calibration. The mechanical root cause is a breach in the sensor's protective coating or membrane. When stone chips or road debris hit the bumper, they can create microscopic dents or cracks in the sensor. High-pressure car washes are another frequent culprit, as the force can delaminate the thin film. Once the surface is compromised, moisture and road salt enter the internal circuitry. When moisture gets inside, it causes a short circuit or creates internal corrosion. Even if the sensor remains dry, a physical dent changes how the sound waves leave the housing. The sensor essentially sees the edge of its own damaged casing. This is what creates the phantom warnings that drive many owners to the repair shop. Mechanics typically scan the vehicle for diagnostic trouble codes like B1246 or C1702. These codes are helpful because they identify exactly which of the 4 or 6 sensors is malfunctioning. However, the code alone does not justify a warranty claim according to manufacturer bulletin PS585. Technicians must perform a physical inspection to look for foreign substances or impact damage. Owners frequently report that the problem started immediately after a long highway trip or a heavy rainstorm. On forums like Reddit, many Kia drivers express surprise that such a small piece of debris can disable the entire safety system. Some owners have tried cleaning the sensors with alcohol or wax, but this rarely fixes a physical membrane breach. The repair direction is straightforward but can be labor-intensive depending on the specific model. The damaged sensor must be replaced with a new unit color matched to your bumper. Some Kia models allow for sensor access from behind the bumper without removing the entire cover. Other models require the full bumper assembly to be pulled off to reach the inner clips. The technician must also ensure the new sensor is seated perfectly flush with the bumper fascia. If the sensor is slightly recessed or tilted, the ultrasonic waves may catch the edge of the bumper. This results in the same phantom beeping that the driver was trying to fix in the first place. Proper alignment is just as important as the part itself. Now we have to discuss the part most owners find difficult regarding the final bill. Because the damage is usually caused by rocks or car washes, it is classified as outside influence. Kia's official guidance states that this type of failure is not covered under the new vehicle limited warranty. This means most owners will have to pay for the diagnosis and repair out of pocket. For a single sensor replacement, the costs can add up quickly due to the price of the component. At an independent shop, you should expect to pay around $350 for parts and labor. At a dealership, where labor rates are higher and factory parts are used, the total is usually closer to $500. If multiple sensors are damaged by road salt or debris, the bill can easily exceed $1,000. Have you dealt with these annoying phantom beeps or a disabled parking system on your Kia? Let us know in the comments if your dealer covered it or if you had to pay out of pocket, and please like and subscribe for more repair insights.